Hello and welcome. This video is brought to you by the StreamingAdvisor.com. Tailor your entertainment with streaming. And what we're going to be talking about in this video is the AirTV. This is a new product from Dish and Sling TV that's going to help you watch over-the-air TV on any TV you have. Before we talk about this box more though, I want to talk about what it isn't. What it is not is a new version of the AirTV Player. The AirTV Player came out a couple of years ago, and it's designed with this dongle in mind. With the dongle, you plug it into an Android player. This is an Android TV box. You plug it into this, and then the idea is that you can watch over-the-air television through your Sling TV app. And it was all designed around this box with Sling TV in mind. This is a different animal. What this is designed to do is allow you to watch over-the-air TV on multiple TVs, because what it does is it allows you to hook up an antenna to the box itself, put the antenna anywhere you want, put the box anywhere you want where you can plug it in, and then beam the signal down to multiple devices. So we're talking Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, your phone, and so on. So we're going to open it up and show you what it looks like. Starts off, you have a getting started guide. The getting started guide is solid. It just shows you how to hook it up, where everything plugs in. Pretty basic, but it's not unhelpful, especially if you're newer to this. Also, of course, you have the actual AirTV unit. You might notice, if you've been following this technology for a long time, that it looks a lot like the old Sling boxes. So they're kind of sticking with a tried but true setup. On the box, you have a coaxial cable, which is where you're going to hook the antenna up. It has a USB port. It has an Ethernet adapter port, and somewhere to plug in the power, because it needs power. Also, you've got a front panel here. You've got an indicator for your network and power section, things like that. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. It's well vented and it's heavy. It's hefty. So, once you put it in place, it should be pretty good to go. And otherwise, it still has little bumpers on the bottom. Besides that, all you have is the power cord. Oh, well, we don't need that anymore right now. And we're going to put the power cord right here in the back. And it clicks right in. Ooh, you don't have to, and just make point, don't remove the little plastic flap. Just leave that in place. It just locks it in. Plug it in, click, and you're good to go. So that's really it. You might wonder, why doesn't it have a remote control? Well, that's because the box itself isn't a media box. It doesn't have apps, so there's nothing to control on it. Once you plug it in, what you do is you let it find receivers, things like Roku's, things like Apple TVs, or even something running Sling TV. So once you do that, you're going to have an app for it. There's an AirTV app that you download separately. It's free, of course. And that's that. You just need to make sure you have an AirTV account that it can activate with. I hope you found that interesting and helpful. Like I said, remember, this isn't an Android box like the other thing. And I hope you subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. And as always, I'm Ryan Downey. Stream on.